Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. 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 We can put a couple more of those little drops. Okay, let's go. Oh. Oh. Does that feel good?
Okay, and then feather stroke.
All right. Now we get to turn on your belly.
Are we gonna need like V6 or anything?
I got some right here, coconut oil.
Oh,
Yep.
this is pretty.
Okay, sunshine, let's roll you over.
She's like, I want to see you.
Yeah. Look out the window.
I want to see your face, Mama.
There. Okay. All right. So we're gonna start.
Or here.
With, okay, yeah, oregano. I'm gonna start first with. You know how you're supposed to kind of go like this and
Yeah.
kind of gain the energy. I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut oil on her. Okay, so 1 drop is enough of oregano. Actually, that one you can drop it right on here.
Oh yeah, I got
Okay. Okay, and then thyme.
it. Which you don't have.
Okay. And then basil.
Oh yeah, like the circle massage. Basil. Do I drop it right here?
Yep, right on. There might not be much of that there.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna spin you around a little bit, honey.
She's just enjoying it.
Yeah. Other side.
Cypress. Song.
Cypress is one of my favorite ones.
Really? Oh, I love it. It's kind of like
Cypressy.
woods. Yeah, cypress.